Hey YouTube, it's you. Welcome back to my food channel. Today I'm going to make with you noodles with chicken, cabbage and carrot. Let's start. At this point my iPhone died, so you put all the rice noodles inside of the water for it to soak the water and stay soft. Okay, let's do it quickly before I will run out of battery. So I have my stir fry here, my noodles. It's rice noodles with cabbage and chicken, carrots, some spring onions, chili, garlic. You saw all the things that I've added. Let's try. and try the chicken alone. Yeah, it's okay. It's a bit dry. It doesn't have enough taste, I feel like. And it took me way too long to make it for its like result. I tell you what, I wanted to make a curry with the chicken, but then I got so distracted in the supermarket and I bought cabbage instead of something that works better with curry. So I needed to make a stir fry noodles, and this is what happened. But it tastes good. I'm going to finish it and finish the video before my iPhone will betray me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really like things that you try to make when you don't have a lot of ingredients at home. I would definitely add something more pungent to it. I mean hoisin sauce or something like that. I don't know why I didn't add it. I'm probably going to add it to the rest of the noodles because it's such a huge portion what I made. It's like for 4 people, I think. No, it's for 3 people, I feel like. So hoisin will be really good add on here. Sriracha probably also. Like in general, it's pretty nice. And also, if you have a wok or a bigger pan, then obviously use it. I just use what I have, and this is the biggest pan that I have. Yeah, I know I need to do some shopping, I know. Thank you for watching, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!